out of the rain, Ashara, there's a seat by the fire tonight. The door swings wide, the glasses rise, and the room is golden bright. The rain taps soft on the window pane, but sure Neil folk in here. Old Sean has a story and a half-filled glass, and Myers laughing near. The fiddle wakes with a sweet old tune, the whistle takes the air. With a hop now, lads, and Slainte mhaith, there's music everywhere. Raise your cup, a chairde, let the long road fade away. For the night is warm, the fire is high, and the bodhrán starts to play. Sláinte, sing it loud, boys, Sláinte, girls again. By the fire in the old pub glow, we're sheltered from the rain. Go ray, let the sorrow go, let the whistle dance and fly. With ceol agus chairde all around, we'll drink to days gone by. There's a tune from Cork, a tale from Clare, and a song from Galway Bay. A little bit of crack, a little gra, to keep the dark away. Patrick swears by all the saints he saw the fairies near the hill. But Bridget laughs, Aish, and the whole room settles still. Pass the glass and tap your heel, let the rafters ring once more. For tonight a store we're rich enough, with friends beside the door. Sláinte, sing it loud, boys, Sláinte, girls again. By the fire in the old pub glow, we're sheltered from the rain. Go ray, let the sorrow go, let the whistle dance and fly. With ceol agus chairde all around, we'll drink to days gone by. Oh, the moon is high over rooftops old, and the road is black with rain. But inside here, la Gaeilge fós, we are young at heart again. So let the pipes cry soft and low, let the mandolin reply. A little song, a little shio kind, before the morning sky. Sláinte, sing it loud, boys, Sláinte, girls again. By the fire in the old pub glow, we're sheltered from the rain. Go ray, let the sorrow go, let the whistle dance and fly. With ceol agus chairde all around, we'll drink to days gone by. So stay a while at Caradil, there's no need yet to roam. For every heart that finds this fire has found a kind of home. Slainte mhaith, now one last song, till the dawn comes soft and pale, in the warmth of the public Rodale, we'll tell another tale.